Hey everyone, you are on the Raw Plus because today I'm gonna show you how to fill out a form on PDF using your mobile phone. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you don't already have one, download a PDF reader that allows you form filling. So launch the PDF reader on your mobile device. In my case, I just need to tap on fill and sign. After that, open the PDF form you need to fill out. You can open it from your files, email attachment, or cloud storage. Look for editable fields in the form. These are typically marked with box or lines where you need to import information. So in my case, I just need to tap pre-text and I can now write anywhere. You can move or adjust the text by long pressing and moving it to the correct spot. So if the form requires a signature, most apps allow you to add one by drawing it on the screen. Tap on the signature field and use your finger. Once you have filled out the form, save it. Tap on Save As or Done button. As you can see, here's the PDF file that has been edited. So I hope this video helped you out to understand how to fill out a form on PDF using your mobile phone. Thanks for watching and take care.